You've been told you need an IVF. You've been prescribed pills, ovulation trackers, hormones. But here's the truth that no one is shouting from the rooftops. If you have PCOS, weight loss might be the biggest fertility unlock that you are missing. And I'm not talking about unrealistic 20 kg transformations. Even 5% drops in weight can shift your fertility, regulate your cycles, and improve egg quality. So let me show you what research says and what I've seen work in women. Hi, I am Dr. Zainab Tajir, a homeopathy doctor and a fertility educator. I have helped hundreds of women with PCOS conceive naturally without IVF or hormonal injections. And the biggest game changer I've seen again and again, sustainable weight loss through lifestyle and mindset shifts. So today I'm going to walk you through what the latest data says about PCOS, weight loss and fertility, and how you can use this knowledge to change your trying to conceive journey. So let's dive in together. So let's understand the science behind weight loss. Did you know that just 5 to 10% of weight loss can improve your fertility? So in women with PCOS, research shows that even losing 5 to 10% of your current weight, it improves your hormonal profile, your insulin sensitivity, ovulation, and egg quality. A study published in the Human Reproduction found that this modest reduction often restored menstrual cycles and ovulation without even needing any medications. Why? Because it reduces your insulin resistance, which is at the root of your PCOS. Secondly, weight loss, it improves egg quality and reduces your miscarriage risk. So a 2023 study showed that women who managed their weight before conception had higher chances of a healthy egg, better implantation, and fewer miscarriages, because when your metabolic health is aligned, your reproductive system works with you, not against you. Thirdly, it's not just about your weight, it's about what your weight loss represents. Now see, weight loss is not magic, but the effort you make, like eating anti-inflammatory food, walking daily, managing your stress, these lifestyle shifts regulate your hormones. That is why even without a major weight loss, I've seen women dramatically improve their ovulation and fertility outcomes just by improving their lifestyle. So, what can you do starting today? Begin with maybe 20 to 30 minutes of walking 5 times a week. Secondly, balance every meal with protein, fats, fibers, and healthy carbs. Thirdly, cut back on sugar, processed food, and excessive dairy. Fourth, focus on your sleep, your hydration, and managing your stress. Fifth, I want you to start tracking your cycles. So understand your cervical mucus, your basal body temperature, your ovulation signs, not just by using apps, but actually by listening to your body. And the most important of it all, be consistent. You don't need to be perfect, but just follow through every single day. Remember, your goal is not just to lose weight, but to create a body environment where your hormones can align, your ovulation can happen naturally. It is only then that conception would become possible. So if you've been struggling with PCOS and are trying to conceive, I want you to know that you are not alone. Weight is not everything, but for many women, it can be the key that unlocks their fertility potential. So I am here to help. Download my free PCOS weight and fertility starter kit. I will leave the link in the description below. It contains tips, food lists, and also a 4-week checklist. And you can also book a one-on-one session with me where we can talk about your case, build a roadmap, and walk you through this entire journey realistically with science-backed techniques. So if you found this video helpful, make sure that you like the video and also subscribe my channel for more fertility-focused content every week. Until next time, take care of your hormones and they'll take care of you.